In this video, I'll show you how to download GoodLock modules using the FindLock app. First, let's make sure you have the FindLock app installed on your device. If you don't have it already, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Once you have the FindLock app installed, open it up and scroll down on the Modules tab of the screen. This will bring up a list of all the available GoodLock modules that you can download. To download a module, simply tap on its name in the list. This will bring up a description of the module, as well as a download button. Tap on the download button to begin the download process. Once the download is complete, the module will be automatically installed on your device. You can then tap on the Enable button to turn on the module and start using it. However, you should keep in mind that check the compatibility of the Android version of the module before downloading. Ensure that you do not download the latest version. Sometimes some GoodLock modules like Pentastic, Camera Assistant and GoodLock Guardians will not work. It is also not compatible with One UI Core devices. Surprisingly, it works perfectly in certain Galaxy devices which runs on Android 12 based on One UI 4.1 Core. There's nothing more to say. With the FindLock app for users who can't download the unsupported GoodLock app, it's easy to download and install GoodLock modules on your device. If you enjoy my videos and want to see more, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and turn on the notifications to stay updated on my latest uploads. Don't forget to share my videos to show your support, and feel free to follow me on Twitter and other social media platforms for additional content. I appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting videos in the future. See you in the next one.